Let's make salt-baked beef heart today. I picked up a beef heart and a couple boxes of coarse salt from Fortino's. Pour the salt into an aluminum baking tray, then add your spices. Here I'm using Sichuan peppercorns, a few cloves, and some crushed cinnamon stick. As the salt heats up, it'll release all those aromas. You can use any spices you like. Rosemary works great too. Set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and preheat the salt right in the oven. Once it hits temperature, take it out and scoop some salt aside to make room. Place the beef heart in, then cover it completely with the hot salt. Back into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. While that's baking, let's make a dipping sauce. Chop some green onions, add a little crushed dried chili if you like, pour in some soy sauce. Heat oil to about 210 degrees Celsius, then carefully pour it right over the aromatics. The hot oil brings out their fragrance without burning anything. Once it cools slightly, stir in some chopped cilantro. Then the sauce is ready. After 1 hour, take the pan out of the oven, remove the beef heart and brush off the salt. Slice it up and look at that. Tender, juicy, and full of flavor. And that's it?
Ready to serve.